The wedding culture in Nigeria has been extremely commercialized. It's gone from the celebration of the joining of two bodies to a stamp of status and class. It's gone from a healthy gathering of people that love the couple, people that want to see the couple thrive, to a circus, to a festival, to a carnival. It's gone from a necessary ritual of matrimony to a carnival, to a festival, to something people now do because they want to be talked about. And I know it is not my money. Absolutely. But tell me, why are people having 10 outfits for their wedding? Are you guys not tired of following up with these things? Like, there are weddings that I've seen on social media. At some point, I had to mute the pages just for that bit. Not that I hate the couples, beautiful people. It's almost like a fatigue. I'm tired of seeing 10 outfits, 5 outfits, 12 outfits, different locations, different ceremonies. It's just too much, too much, too much. And I always tell my single friends to do the same because it's absolutely needless and unnecessary, especially in Lagos. Your guests are coming with their own videographers. They are coming with their own social media content creators. So you go to a wedding, you see tripods everywhere, you see phones everywhere, cameras everywhere, everyone with their PA and creators. It is no longer an intimate event. It becomes an event for self-glorification. And then some of you on social media will be shouting, God went. God went for what? Spending 200 million naira? That's about 100,000 pounds. 200 million naira on a wedding is not anything for you to God went for. It is becoming too much. These people curate these weddings for spectacle. It is intentionally done for people to talk about it. People pay blogs and certain influencers to talk about their wedding so that it will be the talk of the town. And you guys are saying God went, oh, they are so cute. Oh, and I'm not saying they are not cute. I see a problem brewing. The wedding industry is now such a cash cow for a lot of vendors because they know that some of you will do absolutely anything to make sure you have a wedding that you do not need to have just because you care so much about status, about what people say, about likes and comments, about validation. And guess what? A divorce lawyer in America said that there's been a link between very loud weddings and divorce because the marriage that's meant to be intimate is starting out with so much emphasis on public spectacle and performance for the validation of people.